I wanted to touch back on some of the labor shortages we have. 62% of our labor force is a participant of the trades. So 62% of our entire population is associated one way or another with the trades.
Oh, and just to put a small little caveat in there, if you guys are looking for a job, Home Depot is now offering trade for free, trade classes. So plumbing, electrical, all the things, they're offering that for free because there is a shortage of labor workers, out there looking construction, there's stuff that needs to be done, but there's not enough workers or licensed workers that are out there. So Home Depot has started this incentive now here in the state of Michigan that they are giving people trade work and allowing them to get licensed through Home Depot. So just
I foresee tradespeople being able to fetch pretty hefty penny going forward. I mean, we have so many doctors that are gonna, getting XYZ for their incomes. I think the trades are the next people that are gonna cash in on being able to basically get whatever they want, and they're already at that point right now. There's such a deficit in the labor force because nobody wants to do the work, physical work. They just want to sit at a computer and type away.
Lazy asses.
Look at the analytics and everything like that. Tagging off of that, by 2032, we will need 5.25 million additional workers in the trades to be able to create the houses. Just overall in general for our entire populations, we're going to need 5.25 million more trades-based labor force. Think about that. That's insane.
Trade workers.
In less than 10 years.
Yeah. Trade workers, like you said, you reaching for high dollar, that is 100% the way to go. And I think that because that information is solely out there for everyone to see, which is why Home Depot decided to start that initiative, because it's going to be needed. And if people don't get it, we're going to be shut up. Yeah. 100%.
This year alone, we need 501,000 new workers. And to put that into perspective, for every one person that is hired, there are 26 openings in the trades fields. That is insane.
Shit, I might go get a trade skill.
You could get a job so quickly as an apprentice or the entry level, just start learning. We're in such a low supply of trades workers, and it goes back to like builders. Like, this is not an exact stat, but I had heard that for every 50 builders leaving the industry, retiring, whatever, there's only 32 that are going back into the workforce. So we already have that big deficit right there, 28.
That's huge, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, if you hear what we're telling you, if you're looking for a job, you better go get a trade. I mean, I think
you better go get into the trade.
Yeah, get into the trade. And I think that that's a huge thing because so many people, I feel like it was pushed heavily, like when our parents were in like high school and things of that nature. And I think that even when I was in high school, there was still a little bit left. Like I went to Oakland Technical Educational Campus where you could pick a trade or whatever and you decide from there what you wanted to do. So that was readily available. I don't even know if they still have that stuff now. And I know why, like you see why, like the numbers, because they're not teaching kids in school or trying, because college isn't for everybody.
No.
A lot of things aren't for everybody, but having a trade and knowing that skill to a T, especially now, this day and age, I mean, you're making just as much as doctors, if not more.
Exactly what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
Like, if not now, in the future, for sure.
100%.
Because AI can only do so much, and it's not going to be able to help figure out where your busted pipe is.
Figure out your rewiring. You might be able to YouTube it, but you probably get electrocuted if you don't do that. So there's that part.
Yeah.
So make sure you guys look into the trades if you don't know what to do next.
So ultimately, circling back to the real topic at hand, we have all these different variables in the real estate market that are external to the real estate market that are hardcore affecting the real estate market as a whole. We have a major deficit nationally and regionally. We're having a workforce shortage in the trades, that it's all that, and then coupling all that with higher expenses for building costs, permitting, materials, labor force. All that encompassing is creating a increase in home values as to what builders or the home sales resale market is able to net or sell.
Yeah. So guys, you heard it first. All the stats from said licensed builder. You heard it here first. And if you need to reference it, rewind the tape and listen to it. And if you have any questions about building your future home, reach out to Trevor. He is a licensed builder. Comment, say it down in the comments, builder or build it or something in regards to build, and Trevor will reach out with you. Make sure you guys leave your email address and all those things that you need to contact. So if you're looking for a realtor, we're here to help assist you. So we want to say thank you for tuning in today. Real Talk Real Estate with Trevor and Brit. See you next week.
Bye, guys.